The Marlin CR keypad has interchangeable icons, color backlight, and Marlin will inventory the popular icons. It is also an IP67 product. It has a Deutsch 4-pin connector on it, and it's for power, ground, can high and low. Button number 1 controls the navigation and anchor lights, and the output is a low, high, primary, secondary function. Button number 2 controls the spreader lights, and the output is a high, low, primary, secondary. Button number 3 and 4 control the bilge pumps on the port and starboard sides. And that's just a simple toggle on and off. Button number 5 and 13 work in concert to control the cabin lights. And that is a dimming feature on that product where you can increase and decrease the brightness of the light. Buttons 6 and 14 are similar, except that it controls the LED lights. And you can brighten and dim those lights as well. Button number 9 is a momentary horn. Button number 10 controls the underwater lights, and what that is it's really a slow toggle that can be set. We have it set for 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, but that can be programmed for any amount of time. That could also be used for a recirc pump on a live well. So you could have it on for 2 minutes and off for 2 minutes. Button number 11 is our accessory charger for USB and a telephone type charger. Button number 12 controls lights, and it's really a 3-way light. So you've got low, medium, and high, just like your 3-way light.